QuickPro, founded by the European Union. A cooperation of 9 partners around Europe. The increasing air traffic has strong influence on the engine production, in the same way as the growing automotive industry affects the tool and die production. An economic outlook on the year 2020 shows a promising sales increase in both markets. Innovative products and the progress in engine technology require high-performance material like titanium and nickel-based alloys. These materials are difficult to machine and demand full power from the available tool and process technology. The aim of the QuickPro project is the improvement of these technologies through systematical identification of potentials, standardized approaches, integrated milling process design, and optimized coated milling tools. This results in higher part accuracy, improved surface quality, and shorter time to market. Coating technology, tool technology, and process technology are the main work packages for a detailed investigation and an integrated solution. The coating technology investigation is taking place at the Aristotle University of Thessaloniki. The investigation includes impact testing with various parameters on a special impact machine and simulations of these impact processes with an FEM analysis. The Fraunhofer Institute for Production Technology (IPT) analyzes the tool parameters and their influences on the milling process. The analysis includes an analogy milling test on an innovative test bench at the Fraunhofer IPT and a detailed investigation of chip formation process. For a holistic view, the process technology is also improved by the Fraunhofer IPT. This contains a detailed tool path design and a definition of the milling process. This results in an advanced milling strategy. The project results will be verified in real milling processes and in manufacturing demonstrator parts. The optimized parameters and milling strategies are used to produce different kinds of demonstrators with different challenges for the milling process. The resulting demonstrator quality underlines the benefit of the project. With partners around Europe, QuickPro proceeds towards advanced milling. Fraunhofer IPT.